Hey guys, Tom from $1 here. Today I want to talk about a few ways you can make money using your voice, even if you're a beginner. This video is going to be geared towards beginners who want to use their voice and perform voiceover jobs. In this video, I'm going to talk about a little bit of how to get started, the websites where you can find jobs, as well as how much you can make. Again, you don't need to be a professional. I'm going to guide you in how you can use your voice. I've written a huge guide, which I'll link in the description, and I'll cover most of it on this video as well. As always, I like to be honest, straight to the point. So with that being said, let's jump in and begin. Before I even dive in and tell you which websites find you jobs, I quickly want to mention what you need to do to get started. First, you're going to need to invest in a few things. You're going to need a microphone, a computer, some recording software in some cases. Also, you need a quiet place with some soundproofing materials. And if you're having a hard time landing clients, you may find you'll need to invest in, say, a premium membership, or you may even need professional help. So keep these things in mind in the beginning. You're going to need to invest in this. I can't cover everything in this post. I'm just going to give you the basics. But Udemy, that's a great site that can help you find courses for as little as $10 to help you learn the industry more in depth. And then also, you're going to want to produce a demo. This is a must. There's no way around it. All websites pretty much ask for one, because just think of it for a second. If I wanted to hire you as a graphic designer, for example, and you had no samples, why would I consider you? Learn what it takes to create a professional demo and work on this. Again, I'm not going to cover this. This could be another video in itself. Check out the courses, or there's a million YouTube videos online. And then just get ready to audition. This is going to be much more to it, because you're going to have to research what's needed, because every single job post, as I'm about to show, differ. You just have to be prepared to audition your voice and what they're looking for. So with that being said, you know what to invest in, what's expected of you. Once you have all that lined up, let's check out the websites that can help you find some voiceover works, even if you're a beginner. So the first one I mentioned here is Backstage.com. This is a website for actors, auditions, a little bit of everything. They also have voiceover work. If you basically check out the popular searches here, you can see everything from movie auditions, TV auditions, singing, and so forth. And you can put in your city and what you're looking for. In this case, we're looking for voiceover work. So when I click on that, it takes me to the voiceover page. And right now, as I'm doing this video, there's over 552 voiceover jobs, and you can scroll through here and see all kinds of job opportunities. And what's cool is a lot of them you can work from home, which is great. That's great in the voiceover industry. They just need your voice. So you can look at the description, the dates when they need you, as well as the demographic. Pay close attention to that. So in this case, you need to be female, 17 to 25. And then if you want to view the details, you can click on that. And how it works for the creator, you do need to pay a fee, but you can find jobs. You can create notifications. That way you can apply in a flash, as it says. And they also have tips. They have more than 100,000 members. And if you want to sign up, you're just going to click on the sign up page and you're going to fill out a profile. And in doing so, you'll be added to the talent database. And in terms of what it costs, if you go to the help page here, if you live in the United States, it's going to cost you $150 a year. And then it varies in other countries such as Canada and Australia here. It's $84.99. But again, they post, as you could see, 2,600 roles were posted this week. So all you need to do is maybe land 1 gig to break even. But the great thing is you can get those notifications when they pop up and you can apply to. This is one of the bigger ones that I found for voiceover work. Again, make sure you know what you're doing before you do so, because a lot of times you're going to need your demo. Your voice is going to have to meet the certain restrictions and so forth. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just check it out. I'll link to everything in the description. Mandy.com, this is one that's open to the countries. You can see on the front page here, a couple of them here, and they do have a variety of voiceover jobs, more than just voiceover jobs too. You can see that they posted more than 6,500 jobs last month. And when I clicked on the voiceover jobs, they had a couple here and there, maybe I'd say 7 to 10 a week. And if you're interested in any of these, again, you're just going to click on the job posting and it's going to take you to a description page telling you what expected of you, as well as the type of job, how much you paid, the restrictions, when it closes, and so forth. If you want to sign up for more info, you can just click on that sign up tab and you can fill out the simple form. Right now, if you go to the sign up page, it does say that it is 100% free. For the meantime, it was paid in the past, but you can at least join now for free and add your profile to the website, even if you're not searching, because someone may find you and reach out to you if they're interested in you. But most of the time, you're going to have to apply for the job. This one, again, is free. You may see about 7 to 10 voiceover jobs a week on this site. So Voices.com, this is the #1 source for voiceover work. It's being used by some of the world's most trusted brands like Microsoft, Discovery Channel. It's one of the largest casting websites. And like the many freelancing websites, you'll be asked to create a profile, upload your work, and then bid on jobs that you see fit. If the project creator likes what they see, then you'll get hired for that job at a specific price. If you're familiar with Upwork, it's similar to that. It's just only voice over work. So if you want to increase your chance to get hired, just make sure you fill out your profile and as in depth as possible. Also, add as many demos because people are going to want to hear what you sound like. Sell yourself as if it's a resume. So once you create an account and you sign up, you're going to be able to find the jobs, and then if someone does like what they hear, they'll hire you. And there's no fee per se. The only thing that's different is they'll take commission at the end. So factor that in when you do get hired. So if there's a 20% fee, 10% fee or whatnot, $100 will turn into 90 and so forth. Creating a profile is free, but they do have premium options that allow you to respond to a public job posting, as well as include additional premium benefits, all of which you can find on the sign up page located on the main site. Again, I'll link to all these in the description so it's easy for you to click on. And all these are very reputable. I'll never push anything that's sleazy or out to scam you. Voice123, this is just like voices.com. It's another freelance database with more than 100,000 jobs posted in its lifetime. There's a lot of potential here for any skill set, even if you're a beginner. And like most of those freelancing sites, you're either going to have to audition for active jobs or just create a profile, and people will find you if you go down to the how it works. The companies can browse and filter, so if you fall into their demographics, they may reach out to you. They can listen to your samples, and if they like you, they can contact you. In another case, they can also post a project, and whereas 50 people, including you, can apply to it if you're interested. Again, as long as you meet the demographics and that, then they might hire you. To get started, you just have to create an account via the link on the main website. It's 100% free to do so. And then once you're in, just create a profile and get to upload your demos. Just keep in mind that you do need to pay more if you upload more than 10 plus demos and you want to be found. That's said with most of these sites that have premium options. There are limitations again, but the more you pay, the more you can get access to, which then can increase your visibility to hopefully earn more voiceover jobs. ACX.com, this is a big one. If you want to read books and turn them into an audiobook for people, this is a great way, whether you're a beginner or an expert, to jump in and start making money. And let me show you how it works here. What you're going to want to do is create a profile, just detail your acting and audiobook experience, and then you're going to want to upload samples. As I stress, you have to have demos. People want to hear your voice. And then you get to choose how you want to get paid. You can get paid per hour. You could share royalties with people, a combination of both or so forth. You'll know that ahead of time. Then you'll audition for any of the job postings, and if people like your voice, then you can accept the offers and start recording, in which you guys can agree upon a milestone. You can finish the recording as mentioned, and then you get paid. Then come back for more. They have hundreds of jobs posted every single day, so it's not that hard to find jobs. And then if you are a highly experienced narrator with at least 25 audiobook credits, then you can apply to become an Audible approved producer. And in this case, you're considered the best of the best, and this can lead to even more jobs because you'll be highlighted as a professional, and in that case, people may be more lured to you since they know you have more credits under your belt. Again, ACX is free to join. I'll put the link in the description. Be sure to sign up, fill that profile in depth, treat it like a resume because people are going to want to know a lot about you before they hire you. Okay, so that's going to wrap things up. These are just a few of my favorites. Go to lushdollar.com. I've written about at least 15 plus voiceover websites. These are just a sample of what's out there. And even though this was designed just for beginners, it's open to all. If you have experience or not, it's a great stepping stone. Remember, create that profile, get your demos out there, make sure you have the right equipment, and don't forget to record in a quiet space. It's like anything, the more you put into it, the more you get out of it. So start applying to jobs. You may have to apply to 100 plus before you get one, and you may even need to have your rates lower than what you would expect in the first place. Feedback is super important. That's going to do it for now. As always, check out lushdollar.com. I have a million ways to make money. So be smart with your money. I'm always just liking to inform people. That's what I do. I keep adding videos as well. Like, comment, and subscribe. That helps me out. Of course, that does it. I'll see you guys next time.